My name is Manish Kumar. I am studying in first standard.
My name is Ayushi. I am studying in first standard. My school name is St. Philomena's High School in Surya City, Chandapura.
GK concepts. Proverbs.
Proverbs. Work is worship. Honest is the best policy. Where there is a will, there is a way. All that glitters is not good. Face is the index of mind. A rolling stone gathers no mass. An idle mind is a devil workshop. There is no shortcut to hard work. Do order, hold is gold. Action, speech, louder than word. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. An empty vessel makes much noise. A picture is worth 1,000 words. A stitching time saves life. As you sow, as you shall reap. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Preamble. We the people of India have it solemnly resolved to constitute assembly Hindu, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, and assertive to all their citizens, justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, Chetan, worship, equality, status, and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constitute Assembly, this 26 November, this Constitution, education is the just provision for old age.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India. Rights to equality, rights to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitution remedies.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Gulzarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratham Singh, Jai Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
National symbols. National animal.
Tiger.
National bird.
Peacock.
National flower.
Lotus.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National fruit.
Mango.
National currency.
Rupee.
National game.
Hockey.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National flag.
Bicolor flag.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National language.
Hindi.
National river.
Ganga.
9 union territories of India.
9 union territories of India. Andaman Nicobar Island, 4th place. Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa. Daman and Diu, Daman. Delhi, New Delhi. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. Puducherry. Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu. Ladakh, Leh.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamiraparani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas. Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world. Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
9 planets in solar system.
9 planets in solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Biggest planets Jupiter, beautiful planet Saturn, red planets Mars, nearest planets to the Sun, Mercury.
Jnanapita Award winners from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Awards winners from Karnataka. Kuvenpu, Dharavendre, Shivaram Karai, Vasi Venkataya Shayankar, V.K. Gokar, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Karnack, Chandrasekhara Kambara.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Bashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishad. Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitareya Upanishad, Bhuataranaka Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad.
Religions and religious book.
Religions and religions book. Hinduism, Bhagavad Gita, Veda, Upanishad. Islam, Quran. Christianity, Bible. Sikhism, Guru Brahma Sahib. Jainism, Jainagamas, Pasi, Avesta.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು.
12 ಮಾಸಗಳು. ಚೈತ್ರ, ವೈಶಾಖ, ಜ್ಯೇಷ್ಠ, ಆಷಾಢ, ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಭಾದ್ರಪದ, ಆಶ್ವೀಜ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ, ಮತಶಿರ, ಪುಷ್ಯ, ಮಾಘ, ಫಾಲ್ಗುಣ.
ಋತುಗಳು
6. ವಸಂತ ಋತು, ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮ ಋತು,
ಇಂಡಿಯಾ.
Borders of India, North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Forest
State Goa, State Rajasthan.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.